Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Gina, your friendly neighborhood baker. Today let's make something fun, but before that, please do subscribe to my channel and send me lots and lots of likes. I love to see likes. So today what are we making? We are making salted caramel. That's right, delicious and fabulous. It goes on cake, ice cream, anything you desire. Yes, anything. So let's get started. So to make our salted caramel, we need butter. I've used salted butter. If you're using unsalted, you'll need a little extra sea salt, caster sugar or granulated sugar, cream, fresh cream, water, and sea salt, obviously, to make it salted caramel, and a spatula. So let's get started. To start our salted caramel, you've got to switch on the gas. Okay, if you're using a stove, I really don't know how that works, but switch on the gas. Empty the sugar into your bowl. Put the flame on low, okay? Now, pour in the water. Now at this stage, you're not going to touch it, okay? You're going to let the water and the sugar sit together, okay? You're not going to touch it at all. It's going to be on a slow flame, okay? Now, if you get, while it's cooking, you get crystals that form along the sides, okay? Don't panic and don't touch. Simply take a pastry brush, dip it in some water, okay, and rub it gently along the sides, okay. Do not touch the surface, just where the crystals are, remove it, okay. Now you have to let this sit and simmer for whatever time it takes, okay. What you're going to see is slowly the colors will change, okay. Do not touch it, okay. When the colors change, it'll go from light yellow to dark amber, okay. That's when you can switch it off, but right now we're just going to leave it. So as you can see, it is turning a lovely amber, okay, and this is when you've got to be a little careful, and we may have to turn off the gas, which I probably will do so I don't get burnt. So this is what it is. There's a, do not move it still, because once you move it around, the color will be evenly distributed. All right, so all I'm going to do is put in the butter, and it will bubble. Okay. And I'm also now going to put in my cream, and it will bubble. So be careful. And now you can turn it. Turn off the gas and just gently mix. And there you go. There comes your caramel. There is some beautiful caramel. Now this is when you want to add a little bit of salt. Just a smidge. Okay. Because we've used salt, we've already used salted butter, so. And then once it's cool, all you're going to do is bottle it up. Now this will stay good in the fridge forever. Nothing happens to it. There you go. Lovely salted homemade caramel. And so easy.